The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Next, I'll remove the cord clamp. Now lift the switch away from the housing and remove the cord wires. I'll lift the cord guard away from the housing and remove it from the cord. And now I can install the new cord guard. I'll thread the wires through it and slide it over the cord. And now I can reinstall the wires to the switch. I'll place the switch back in the housing and realign the cord guard with the housing. And now I can secure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's how you can replace the cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.